everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Coinbase transaction history. There are two different ways to download a transaction history on Coinbase. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way. First of all, go ahead and open your web browser to get started. Open any web browser of your preference and then type in coinbase.com in the URL box. Also make sure to log into your Coinbase account like you normally do. After logging into your main homepage for Coinbase, go ahead and click on the More button on the bottom left corner. Now, scroll down and select Taxes. Within the Taxes section, click on Documents at the top. Now, go to Tax Reports and click the Custom Reports button. Select the report type to generate and select Raw Transaction Activity Report from the drop-down. Now you can also define the date range for the transaction you want to include, but in this case it's not available. And finally click on the download button and you will be able to download the transaction history for Coinbase. The downloaded reports and statements will be in CSV format, a common spreadsheet format that can be opened with most spreadsheets applications. So that is how you will be able to download your transaction history on Coinbase. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.